Okay, so right now, my tea, I am not straining, but I will be straining the syrup. This is also tea that I've been drinking, and it's a respiratory tea, and it has mullein in it, ginger, red root, violet leaf as well, turmeric, and garlic, and it will help you get rid of everything that is going on inside your body, like from sinuses to the deep coughs and the dry coughs, the wet coughs. Yeah. So, anyways, so this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be straining the syrup. Okay. So I've been probably maybe 40 minutes max with the syrup. It's an infusion, so I don't really need to make it so strong. And then after that, I will be mixing it with the honey, because when honey is boiled, it kind of loses all the properties inside of it. So what we are doing is we're going to be mixing it after we strain it. So we are going to be doing this. Here's the syrup. And I will be putting it into my mesh net right here. And I will be draining it and everything. So I do have gloves, so I will be right back. I'm taking off my wash so I don't ruin it. The syrup is a little bit hot because I just took it off the oven. I let it cool for probably like 10 minutes, so hopefully it will be nice and warm, so the honey will still melt instead of it. Why do you keep putting the gloves on wrong? I hate gloves. I hate them. But we are being prepared for this virus. So, gloves. Anybody need it? I hate gloves, really. I hate gloves. I like my hands because it's healing my energy going inside the medicine. This is why I'm kind of like an herbalist, because I like putting my energy into the medicine that I make, and it is very homey for me, and I love it. So, anyways, we are going to... Yep, that's 1 scoop. And we're going to put in here 2 scoops. And we will be doing this. Whoop. Alright, so that's 1. Then I'm going to connect it all. And do what I'm doing. It's hand pressing all of it into the bowl. So I'm getting all the nutrients inside the herbs. I mean, I can get machines to do this, but I don't. Like I said, I like using my hands. The energy and the love that I put into my medicine. Okay, so this is, I think, enough. I don't think I could get any more. Up, a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm good. All right, so that's that, right? I just strained it. That's what I do. Okay, then I'm gonna mix it with honey, okay? Local honey from out here. That's insane. I think I need more honey. It's like golden. It's golden medicine. Like, seriously. Oh, I think I'm done. Yep, it's done. Okay, so now I get a spoon. Like here. Make sure all the herbs are off of it so I don't get the herbs inside of it. And I mix it. The honey inside the syrup. I'll sit here for like maybe 3 minutes and mix it to make sure that all the honey is not goopy and it gets dissolved inside the medicine. See, it's still a little bit goopy. I don't need to get it all goopy. Uh-oh, I think I spilled some. I think it's all done. Okay. Ah, my God, I